Good morning student and welcome to our English language class. My dear student, today I will explain you common noun and proper noun. Okay. Before starting my chapter, I would like to tell you about the noun. First and foremost, what is a noun? Noun is the name of any person, place or thing. Okay. Now its kinds. There are 5 kinds of noun, but in your course there is only 2 kinds of noun. Number 1, common noun, and second is proper noun. Now what is a common noun? A name which does not point out any particular person, place or thing. Okay, it does not point out a particular person, place or thing, but is common to all person, place or things. Common to all persons, places or things of the same class or kind. Okay, it is known as common noun. And things, second, a name which belongs to a particular person, place or thing is called a proper noun. Okay, common noun does not belong to a particular person, place or thing, but proper noun belong to a particular person, place or thing. No sleeping means you have to remember these 2 things. Common nouns always begin with a small letter. How we write a common noun? We write a common noun always with a small letter, excepted when they are in the beginning of the sentence. Here you can see. Example is birds. This bird is a common noun. But why I written it with capital letter? Because my sentence begins with this word birds. Okay, so I written this common noun in capital letter. Birds fly in the sky. Okay. Now second thing is a proper noun. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter, and proper noun always begins with a capital letter. For example, Delhi is the capital of India. D of Delhi and I of India, both are in capital letter and both are proper noun. This is our proper noun, and still my sentence begins with word Delhi, है ना? So I written it with capital letter. But here I again written this I with capital letter. Why? Because India is the name of a country. So I written it with capital letter. Okay. Now your homework. You have to do exercise number 7 of page number 10. This work you have to do in your book only. Don't note down this work in your notebook from your book. Don't note down. You have to do this homework in your English language book. Then exercise 8, page number 11. Then exercise 11, page number 12. You have to do these 3 exercise 7, 8 and 11 in your book only, English language book. But the definition of common noun and proper noun, this work from here to till here, India. This work you have to do in your notebook. Understand? And my dear student, to explain more about common noun and proper noun, I will make a list here. With the help of this list, I will explain you about the common noun and proper noun. First and foremost, common noun. Common noun. Second is proper noun. Proper noun. Now pay attention, all of you. I will explain you by some examples. Okay? Let's see. Number 1. Boy. B-O-Y, boy. Boy is a word which belong to the all boys. है ना? What we call to boys? We call boy. It is a common noun. Now I am writing here the name of some boys. For example, I will write here the name of the boy of my class. Who is my class? Ayush. And Divan Singh. Divan. And Alfred. And one more boy is here in our class, Karthik. All these are the name of the boy. We call to all of them boy. है ना? All are boys ना? But every boy has a name. For example, Ayush, a boy of your class, his name is Ayush. And one boy whose name is Divan, one is Alfred, and one is Karthik. It means this boy word is your common noun, and the name of the boys, Ayush, Divan, Alfred, and Karthik, these are the proper noun. And you can see here I use small b, and here I use capital letter. I written all the name of the boys with capital letter A, D, A, and K. Understand? Now second thing is girl. Girl is a word which belong to a person. है ना? It is a common noun because I can call to all the girls as a girl. But when I call a girl with her name, so her name is a proper noun. In your class there are so many girls. For example, Akshita. Akshita is a girl. And Arohi. Arohi is a girl. One Tanya. Tanya is a girl. And one Yashika also. Yashika is also in your class. a girl in your class whose name is Yashika, a girl Tanya, and a girl Arohi, and one girl, her name is Akshita. So this word girl, this is our common noun, and these are the name of the proper noun. All the name of the girls are proper noun, and I written it with capital letter, and you can see here I use here small letter in common noun. Understand? More examples. The name of the states. The name of the state. Where do you live? In which state you live? You live in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand. And one state is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. Both are the name of the state. Both are the state of India. Okay. So I written this word state. It is a common noun. But I written the name of the state with capital letter. Uttarakhand, U is capital. Jammu and Kashmir, J and K in capital letter. So this word, state word, is your common noun, and Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir, name of the states, are your proper noun. After this, river. As you know, India is a country of rivers. There are so many rivers in our country. For example, everybody know Ganga, है ना? After that, Yamuna, Krishna. Krishna is also a name of river. Ganga, Yamuna, Krishna and Kaveri. Okay, all these are name of the river. We call commonly river to all these rivers. Okay, we call it commonly rivers. But every river has a particular name. One river whose name is Ganga. Another river, its name is Yamuna, Krishna and Kaveri. So the word river is a common noun, and the name of the river, all rivers of India, of world, is our proper noun. Okay. After this, book. Number 5 is book. Now I am having some book with me here. You can see this, है ना? This is a book, and this is a book. All these are our books, and one more book is here. You can see this is a book. How many books are these? These are 3 books. So what I call to all these? I call all these books. 1, 2, 3. 3 books. But you can see every book has a name. Its name is Fascinating 365 Animals Story. Okay. This is a story book of children, and this is your English book. Its name is मैरीगोल्ड, है ना. This book has a particular name, Marigold. And I have one more English grammar book, this. It also has a particular name, Impact. Okay? Its name is Impact. So I show you 3 books, but every book has a name. So the name of the books is our proper noun. For example, your English book name is Marigold. And what about your Hindi book? Your Hindi book name is Rimjhim. Okay. And everybody know to Mowgli ना. Mowgli को जानते हो आप? So what is the name of that book? The name of that book is Jungle Book. Jungle Book is the story of Mowgli, a boy who lives with wolves in a jungle. Okay, so this word book is your common noun, and the name of the books are our proper noun, Marigold, Rimjhim and Jungle Book. And you can see in my this column of common noun, I am using small letters, है ना, because we use every common noun is begins with a small letter. And here the column of proper noun, all the first letter of word is in capital letter, because all these are our proper noun. Understand? Proper nouns always begins with a capital letter. Do you understand? Now, okay, I will give some more example to explain the common noun and proper noun. What is this? Festivals. India is the land of festivals. So many festivals we celebrate in our country, India. Understand? And everybody love the festival of Diwali. Diwali is the name of a festival. It is a festival of lights. Then Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. Then Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is the festival of brother and sisters. I written all these festival with capital letters. You can see every name of festivals begins with capital letter. Understand? Now some more example of country. Country. There are so many countries in our world. So many countries. So we call to all that country commonly country. We use word country. Country word is a common noun, but every country has a particular name. Do you know? Yes, every country has a particular name. For example, our country. What is the name of our country? Yes, it is India and Bharat. Our country has 3 names: India, Bharat and Hindustan. India, Bharat. Bharat also the name of our country. Okay, and one more country, Nepal. Nepal is a neighboring country of India. And one more country, America. America is also a name of country. So many countries are here in the world. India, Nepal, America, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, German, France, England, Australia, Saudi Arab. So many countries are in the world. So we call to all these countries. We commonly call to all them country. इन सबको हम क्या कहते हैं? Country. तो word country is our common noun, and the name of the country are our proper noun. Understand? What are these? These are proper noun. And school also. As you know, there are many schools in our area. Jolly Grant, है ना? So many schools are there in our Jolly Grant. तो what we call that? उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? सभी तो स्कूल हैं, but every school has a particular name. For example, our school. What is the name of our school? Everybody know na? Yes, the Horizon School. The Horizon School. This is the name of our school. And so many schools are here. For example, which school is nearby? Yes, Hopeway. Hopeway is also a school. Okay, so the word school is a common noun because we commonly used it for a place, and the name of the schools are the Horizon School, Hopeway, and Holy Angel, Himalayan. So many schools are here. So all the name of the schools are proper noun. Understand? Now, days. How many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So this day word is your common noun. Day word is your common noun. And the name of the days, Monday, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, all these are the proper noun. Now this is my last example to you to explain the common noun and proper noun. Month, month, month. How many months are in a year? Yes, 12 months. 12 months are in a year. There are 12 months in a year. And what is the name of the months? January. Secondly, February. Then March, and so on. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December are the 12 months of a year. This word month we commonly use for the January, February and March, and the name of the months are January, February and March. These are the name of the months. So the name of all the name of the months are our proper noun. And again, always remember, don't forget these things. Our common nouns always begins with small letter and proper noun always begins with capital letter. The special name of person, place, things, all are the proper nouns. Understand? Now I am again telling you, this homework you have to do in your book, English language book, and these all definitions of common noun and proper noun you have to do in your language notebook. Understand? Don't forget it and use pencil to do your work. Okay, my dear student of class 3. Now thank you student. Bye.